Stocks jumped today with the Dow Jones Industrial Average setting a new record high this morning. Raymond James financial advisor Mark Teed joined us on a very positive day financially speaking. Mark, thanks for coming in. Mark, what would you say caused today's rally?
I think it's the deafening absence of bad news. Everywhere you look, the economy is getting a little stronger, so I think people are taking their confidence level higher and are willing to invest in a risk-on asset. So I think it's the lack of bad news, Barry.
Mark, it seems like just a couple of months ago, everybody was worried about that inverted yield curve. Have recession fears been pushed to the background?
Recession fears are so far in the background, we can't even talk about it because we're looking out a year, 2 years before there's even a worry about it. So, yes, definitely.
You know, I remember last year about this time, from about October forward until about the end of the year, the stock market seemed to be going down every week, every day. What has changed since then? I mean, it seemed like we had a little bit of a dip last month, but nothing that really shook Wall Street.
Well, if you remember, the bad news last year was that the China tariff deal had just collapsed. A year later, it looks like the forces are meeting. Rumors today that President Trump and President Xi have been talking behind the scenes while these negotiations have been going on. So it's almost like it's beneficial for both countries, which would be great because India, China, and America are the big growing economies in this world, and we got to keep that going.
All right, Mark Teed, thank you for your perspective as always. We'll be checking back in with you in the next half hour.